Hey learners, today we will be learning how to write problem solution essay type question. This question example is from IELTS 15 general training. Let's start with the question. Nowadays many people complain that they have difficulties getting enough sleep. What problems can lack of sleep cause? What can be done about this? So here is the question statement. Today a lot of people are having difficulties in getting enough sleep and they are complaining about it. And for the questions, what it is asking? They are asking for problems this lack of sleep can cause, not the causes or the reasons of lack of sleep. And for the second one, they want us to discuss the solutions to avoid this. It is a mix of problem solution essay and a double question type. So first of all, we have to plan our essay. Consider taking 5 to 6 minutes of your 40-minute time for this. I can promise you, this can make you finish your essay within 30 minutes. Here is how to plan this essay. Think of problems lack of sleep can cause and try to keep it simple. My idea is it can affect your relationships. If you read the question again, it is asking for problems. So we have to write more than one. For problem number 2, I'll explain about lack of sleep affects ability to perform certain tasks. That is, it is affecting our efficiency. So now is the time to write the solution. I'll write the simplest one, that is meditation. So now starting with the essay, first of all, we have to write the introduction. As always, we will paraphrase the question statement. However, we might not be able to find the exact synonyms of the words on exam day. We can also try to change the voice or substitute the words with single word. Like here, nowadays become today. Many people remains the same. Then for the next, they have difficulties getting enough sleep. I would use the word sleep deprived. So here is how the first sentence looks like. Today, most people are sleep deprived. For next sentence, we will give the overview of paragraph. That is about our ideas. I'll write in this way. I think this can take toll on their relationship and their ability to perform certain tasks. You can see I have introduced both my ideas here. Now moving on to the solution, we have to introduce it in the introduction. It would be like, fortunately, meditation can help. That's how complete introduction is. Today, most people are sleep deprived. I think this can take toll on their relationships and their ability to perform certain tasks. Fortunately, meditation can help. Moving on to our first body paragraph. Remember, we will be explaining one idea per paragraph. So go ahead with first idea. That is effect on relationship. I will be writing the topic sentence this way. Lack of sleep can harm your relationships. Now, we have to explain it. For this, ask yourself how it can harm or what could be the results. Here is my explanation. If you sleep poorly the previous night, you tend to be irritable the following day. Irritable means annoyed. Now is the time for example. We will be writing the example to further simplify our explanation. If you are finding hard to write the perfect example for your essay, we have a special dedicated video up in the I button. Back to the paragraph. Think what you could do if you did not sleep last night and are annoyed right now. Here is my way of explaining. For example, a simple expression of concern from your wife about why you came home so late may sound to you like an accusation because poor sleep can increase your irritability. This result may be that you shout at your wife. If you constantly treat people around you like this, your relationships with them may deteriorate. Look at this example. I have explained how lack of sleep can create gap within husband and wife, and these repeated actions can ruin your relationship. That's the end of first body paragraph. We have explained our topic sentence with proper explanation and with accurate example. Remember, accurate example is must. Moving on to second body paragraph. It will be about our second problem, that is lack of ability. So topic sentence would be like, lost sleep can also affect your task performance. Explaining it further, ask yourself how it can affect. What could happen because of this? So next sentence is, without enough sleep, you can feel tired and have trouble focusing on the task you are doing. This can lead to mistakes. Now moving on to the example. Remember, for full essay, try to keep it simple. To explain it further with example, I'll go ahead with car drivers and accident. That is the simplest I can think. For example, for instance, sleep deprived drivers are at increased risk of causing car accidents because they may fail to notice important things like traffic signs. Remember to check our example video to understand in detail. Now, we are done with problems and it's time to write the solution. In my case, it's meditation. So I'll write it using if sentence. Remember to use different kind of sentence to show your English. IELTS is a test of English, not knowledge. If you have sleep problems, you can try to meditate. Explaining it further, when you lay down in your bed at night, you may find your mind buzzing with thoughts of the day and plan for tomorrow. One way to quiet your thought is to meditate. For instance, many people find Sam Harris guided meditation the headless way helpful. It trains you to feel that you have no head. You are not producing the thoughts, they are just arising in consciousness. As you find your inner peace, your sleep will improve significantly. You can see how I managed to write the essay easily in cohesion and coherent to other paragraphs, which is important for above 7 band. Now comes the last part, that is conclusion. For conclusion, we have to rewrite our ideas, just the way we did in introduction. Means, we can simply paraphrase the introduction. Here is the conclusion. In conclusion, sleep deprivation can have negative effect on your relationships and your performance in certain tasks. To sleep better, you can try meditation. That's the end of our essay. Now you can quickly understand how to write the problem solution essay and extend your idea. If you need any help, comment down your problem. And before leaving, do subscribe the channel, like the video. Now here is the complete problem solution essay.